How to fix Instagram DM not showing. The first thing you want to do is to go to the App Store or Play Store if you are on Android. Search for Instagram. If it says update beside your Instagram app, you need to update it to the latest version. Step 2, go to your settings if you are on Android, and then you want to go to app and then Instagram and then browser cache and then clear browser cache. If you are on iPhone, you need to long hold the app and then tap remove the app. The only way to remove the browser cache in iPhone is to remove the app. Step 3. If none of these two steps are working, you need to go to Instagram and then you want to tap your profile icon down on the bottom right corner, and then you want to tap the 3 stripes up in the top right corner, and then you want to tap settings and privacy, and then you want to scroll all the way down to help, and from here you want to tap report a problem. And after this you need to follow the steps and then report the problem to the Instagram support, and they will get back to you in a few days and resolve your problem. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.